up the seams.
Oh, okay. It starts there, so I gotta measure it.
Just give her and then cut it.
Really?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
I'm scared, Liz. You do it.
No, you do it.
Should it go down or up?
You could go down.
Let me
Maybe start a bit further back.
I'm gonna do a practice run. Huh?
She's practicing. What a geek. Just give her. Putting up the table, it was a little wobbly, so we unscrewed. Look at how rusty these are. Ew, we don't even have any threads left. And then this came off, which holds the table. And go ahead, Anne.
Peel the reveal.
Peel the reveal. Rotten piece of wood.
That's firm.
It's firm. I think it's these.
Yeah.
Oh, feel this.
That's weird, eh?
Yeah. It's almost like it needs a piece along there and then just put it all back.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty firm on there. Just the screws were like wobbly.
Yeah.
Well, at least you can put the trim up.
Yep, we'll put the trim up. I Gorilla Glued the wood, so this is glued on and this is glued on. I'm not going to put any strain on it for the next while. Clamp objects, so 1 to 2 hours, cure 24 hours. So I'm not going to try that table till tomorrow and see if this is secure, but I think it'll be pretty good. Yeah, the screws were just all rotten out, and then I'm just gonna put some screens on the side vents of the Boler so the mosquitoes stop coming in, and we'll see what else I get done.